Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Miss. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about my research. Yeah. Talk about the use of wood wall application in improving learning result in reading comprehension of student class 10. MAPK Sofia, Kuningan District for the academic year 2022-2023. But before we talk about this topic, I want to tell you the background of this topic or my research. Okay. Education is a complex activity and include various components that are closely related to each other. Therefore, if education is to be carried out in a planned and orderly manner, then the various factors involved in education must be understood first. Various component in the education system, both micro and macro studies, need to be recognized in depth. That this component can be function and develop to optimize the work of education toward achieving the set educational goals. Actually, in here, the student doesn't like English lesson. So the skill of English lesson for student in here, yeah, in my school is under average, ya. In bahasa Indonesia di bawah standar, ya. So I don't know what should I say it. And then I remember that my teacher said to me that then when you as a teacher remember that the teachers not only transfer the knowledge but how the teacher can connect it what the student need. Yeah, I remember about my teacher said like that. So I think it is true because we have to know what the student need first, and after that how to make the student interesting to the material. Yeah. So based on my experience, I make some research, talk about the topic, the use of wood wall application in improving learning result in reading comprehension of student class 10 MAPK Wadisopia Kuningan District for the academic years 2022-2023. So, improving the quality of student learning process and outcome at every level of education needs to be realized in order to obtain quality human resources that can support national development in Indonesia. One effort to improve this is by increasing student activity in the learning process. For decision, the use of wood wall application media in the learning process is very necessary to help students understand, yeah, to the material. So the aims of the research, there are 3 point important. Yeah, the first is to find out how much student respond to the use of wood wall application media, and then the second point is to find out how much student learning outcomes using the wood wall application media, and then the last point to find out whether there is an influence of using what is it, the woodwall application media on student learning outcome to achieve the above objective. a quantitative research approach with experimental research type was used. Yeah. Then the research instrument was a questionnaire, and the data collection technique used were interview, documentation, and tests. The last is test. So the result of the research show that the application of learning media after using the Woodwall application media obtained the highest score of 95%, and the lowest value was 65%, and then the average value of 75.37% is included in the good category. The student response to the use of the Woodwall application media in indicator 1 was equal to 74.76%. In indicator 2, it is 96.98%, and then in indicator 3, it is 71.6%. So it can be concluded that learning using the Woodwall application media in the subject of the announcement, yeah, the material talk about announcement has an important role in the learning success of student. There is an influence of using Woodwall application media on student learning outcomes. I think that's all for me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.